Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again, General Technology Knowledge. Today I would like to show and share about how to use the clock PAL memory in PLC S7-200 CPU 224 XP. Okay. So before go to write the program for test with the clock PAL memories, I would like to explain a little bit for that two function. So first, when we use SM0.4 clock PAL memory, it means that it will turn on 30 seconds and then turn off 30 seconds. For duty cycle time 1 minute. Okay. And if we use SM0.5 clock PAL memory, it will turn on 0.5 sec and turn off 0.5 second also. Okay. On cycle time 1 second. Yes. So it very fast if we use SM0.5. It will turn on and off within 0.5 second on cycle time 1 second. Okay. So we can use the clock to count the counter. Example, count every 0.5 second. Yes, I will show you on the program. Yes. So to understand this function, let's go to create the sample program and test with me. Okay. So let's go. Okay, right now I will use Step7 MicroWinV version 4 with page 9 for create the sample program for test. Yes. And we will use SM0.5 for count the counter, right? Okay, so let's go. We use SM0.5 for count and then control the output. Yes, Q0.0. Yes, so we will use SM0.5, right? And we will use the counter up. Yes, example counter up C0. Yes. Example 20. Yes. And if equal 20, we will turn on the output, right? Okay, like this. Turn on the output. So if equal, yes, equal integer, because it is integer for counter, right? So equal integer, yeah, comparison equal integer. Yes, equal integer, yes, this one. So if say 0 equal 10, yes, example equal 10, and I will decrease this one to 50. Then I will turn on one output. Yes, example Q 0.0. yes, and then I will hold the signal, yes. So Q 0.0 will hold the signal, and then after this one turn on, I will reset the counter, yes. So NO, we will use NO for reset. Q 0.0 turn on, it will reset the counter, right? And it will cycle time, yes. So we can use the NC, yes, contact. Yes, NC contact for say 0, yeah, like this. So let's see the condition, yes, and we can command this one. If say 0 equal 10, then Q0.0 will turn on. Okay, so let's see. I will show SM0.5 first, and then we will test SM0.4. Yes. Okay, so let's start the CPU and see the condition. Yes. Right now you see it will turn on and off every 0.5 second. Yes. Oh, reset. We will use like this. Say 0. Okay, like this. If this one turn on, it will reset. Yes. Reset the counter, right? So I will use the like this 10, right? So I will use 20, yes. Example set to 10 like this. So maybe I will use say 0 for reset. Okay, let's test like this. You see 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Okay, the output is not turned on because we use the counter 10. Sorry, counter number 0 is equal 10 also, right? So if I use like this, maybe I will use like this. Automatic reset, right? So cycle time, I will send one PAL for reset the counter, right? So if the Q 0.0 is turned on, I will use like this. P, yes, positive. I will use the positive, yes. Positive contact. For reset the counter, yes. I will increase this one to 20. Yes, let's see the progress. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, lock, and it will reset, automatically reset. Yes, 10. And we can also use this function like this. If counter equal like this, yes. If counter say 0 equal 15, yes, example equal 15, then reset the counter, right? Okay, reset the counter. So I will use internal memory, example M 0.0, and then I will use M 0.0 for reset the counter. Yes, and let this one is free. Yes, yes, M 0.0. Sorry, this one equal 15. Yes, I will stop Q 0.0 and then reset the counter also. Yes. Okay, let's see the condition. So first I need to reset the counter first. Yes. 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10. Okay, turn on, and then after 15 it will reset. Yes, reset, and then it will cycle, count continue. Yes. Okay, this one for SM 0.5. Yes, turn on 0.5 second, turn off 0.5 second. So right now I will use one more for SM 0.4, right? Okay, so SM 0.4 we can also create the program. Yes, so SM 0.4, it means that it will turn on and turn off every 30 seconds. Yes, so I will use I will turn on the Q 0.1 every 30 seconds. So if CPU turn on, then Q 0.1 will turn on every 30 seconds and turn off every 30 seconds or so. Okay, so I will download. Okay, let online and check the condition. Yes, right now you see the Q0.1 is not yet turned on because it will turn on 30 seconds and then turn off 30 seconds. Okay, let me show. Right now it was turned on. Yes, I will show the condition on the PLC. Yes, yes, it will turn on and off every 30 seconds for Q0.1. Yes, turn off. Yes, turn off. For Q0.0, it will turn on and off every 10 seconds. Yes, yes, okay. You see Q0.1 is turned on again. Yes. So this is just additional function that has inside the CPU, yes, of PLC S7-200 that we want to use the clock memory for control the other program. Yes, for the case example, if we would like to use it for example faster than this one, we can set 5 and then reset example 10 reset, so it will go faster than this one. Yes, let's see the condition. Yes, okay, every 5 seconds it will turn on and off. I will reset the counter first. Okay, yes, let's see the condition is faster than before. Yes, every second 5 seconds it will turn on and off the Q0.0. Okay, so I hope everyone will understand about this video about clock memory, PAL clock memory on PLC S7-200 CPU 224 HP. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my video, and if everyone have any question, please kindly drop comment under my video. I will reply soon. And I would like to request all of you to like, share and subscribe my video also to get more notification and more new videos that I will create step by step. So in this time, I would like to say thank you very much again and see you in the videos. Bye bye.